Center gold company from Canada that has been working over 20 years in Kyrgyz Republic. They producing a gold. During these 20 years, they did damage, destroyed our nature, land, glaciers, polluted the air and the whole environment. In addition, they damage the local people's health. Centerra did this stuff with the help of former local government, former prime ministers, ex-speaker of the parliament, senators, and so on. As a proof, you can see these pictures or you can find on the internet. To save, to steal money above people and Centerra, they destroy the nature. We are here, we cannot close our eyes and stand doing nothing. We have to protect our nature no matter where it is. Is it in US, is it in Canada, is it in Kyrgyz Republic or anywhere else. Centerra gold is a scam of the century. It's time now to answer and pay back to restore the nature. Above people, they're all in jail because of corruption. Right now, the current government is welcoming any investors who will follow the rules and respect the law of the country. Please, if you're watching or seeing this video, please share because we have to protect our nature and globe in general in the world. Thank you.